Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and welcome to the wrap-up of September's Amigurumi Wars. I'd like to thank everyone very much for participating. I'm going to go ahead and tell you this is not the yearly point standings, but the point standings for my month are, remember, I gave extra points for those that did some what I considered Halloween patterns, and now that's what I considered were Halloween patterns, not anyone else. So let me go back to the beginning of my list, and then I'll tell you who the winner was for my month. So Kathleen, you've got 26 points. Elaine got 48 points. Anaya has 12 points. Julie got 22 points. Cindy got 5 points. Jean S got 32 points. Laura G got 12 points. Carlotta R got 9 points. Chantel P got 5 points. Jillian C got 5 points. Nova Gnome got 40 points. Hope Mahoney got 12 points. And Anita got 10 points. That's YOH Crochet, the host of the whole Amigurumi Wars. And I did a wheelie thingy, and the winner for my month is Nova Gnome. So Nova Gnome, you need to email me at froggywentaknitting@gmail.com. So I'll be giving you a $20 gift card to anywhere that I can get it for you online. So go ahead and email me and I can get it to you. And thanks again for everyone that participated. I absolutely loved all of your entries. They were fantastic. And don't forget to go over to Manfa Makes, Sam, and to enter over there for the month of October. And now, without further ado, here come the pictures. Bye now.